play pi baro ki pedang sabhai pi shakatu kubor minta ke janmiet shoban pash ki kubor bemnyai pechwai mat bekongsan sa teng ke jinge kren penbet put na kabenta ka wat paan ha pedang ke MEGHALAYA ba sam na ke jingjah mukro umpat ton ke jinge kren minta Menteri Rang Ba ukon ret ki sangma Penlong ke Ribhoi District Regional Committee ke jinge lang baning kong Ribhoi banya terna ke benta ke jinge penbet put ha kawat ke baan. On penstom ting ek sorkar jela halor ke jingja ke tayo beladem ke blakta ke shongsuk shongsngan ong ukon ret ke sangma. But on ikan duk keseng HSPDP kini ngelam jom biseng sai perkaya Delhi penstat di kejeng dawa bet penyok no la kejong kejelana ke bentar ke rilom KHASI jang dia. Ki kubor ke bebnia kejeng penbet penbiang na ke bentar kejeng penbet kaput hapedeng kejela MEGHALAYA bet asam ha ki hindriu teli ke jaka bedang sa hapedeng kejeng ya keja kala sak teng na kedau kejeng ja syak siat hambukro. Menteri Rang Ba kejela ukon ret kesang mau la ong Bakilat mu ban pelong ya ke jingelang mentah ke tayo hendai nak daw ke jingja besngosi ke jinglong jingman kala nang wanra jing shosho bat ke sorkar kan omla ban let penlong jing kren mardor ke jingelang hakasin ke bening kong bat ke regional committee ke wat ke baar jong ke jing kren ban penbet ya ki jaka kaput badon ke jing kaja lakmi linti ban penlong hapo uni benai
Go forward. I was expecting that this month itself, in this week in fact, we had expected to meet before the unfortunate incident took place. But now with all of this happening, I think situation is slightly complicated. So maybe we may not be able to go for it immediately, though we still strongly feel that this is the way to move forward. We are very much committed to resolving it, and we want to work as fast as possible to resolve it, because that's the only permanent way to ensure that these kind of incidents can be completely avoided in the future. But because of the unfortunate incident that took place, circumstances have changed, and hence we will have to take some time. We'll have to keep having discussions with Assam government and Government of India and see when it will be appropriate to have a talk with them again.
Ribhoi District Regional Committee halor kamat ki kaput ke jela kebelalam kamat do sembut Menteri Rang Ba ke jela iba preston tensong kala penlong ya ke jingelang Ribhoi menda kesngi bat kinong don benta na kiliang beper hakani ke jingelang ke jinge kren kala long tang halor artli ke jaka badon ke jinge kerja kata ke blok ar ke bahap hapo ke jingpet usim ke hima khairem bat ke desh domra ke bahap hapo ke jingpet jong usim ke hima melim layo jing tip pasaya artli ki jaka kata ka nongwa mau temur bat bodwa on sawanra ke jinge kren ha ke jingelang ke ban salong hadin kejing temu jong kani kejing elang kelong ban kren bat kis im jong kahima shwa ban pelong ya kejing penbet put ha kawat ke baar bat ke jela asam iba tensong ila ong bayang benta kidang persang ban lum ki pata khendo bat ki we dia ki kot ki bedon kam
kong ka de ka desh domria bat ka baar ka de ka block 2 te kadang sa artli naman ngani Ribhoi don southerly kini ki area of differences kawai ka desh dumria ka de ka bahap hapo ka hima melim kani ka block 2 bapintip ka hapo ka hima khairim tena kalian ka hima melim kiawan na kalian joki menteri kiawan na kalian joki Rang Ba snong bani kendu bani plu chumut hakaba ya dei bat kitu ki area ki jaka paro namar ba kitu ki area ki bengla submit ya kini kisnong ki kau how ajar we ban claim na ka sorkar Assam ngia discuss kata ka we hadit ka we
ke sorkar jelah kelapan krek ban ai da ka jing pen sitom ting persya kitu ki bedon kiti ka jing japen kelumar ka balam sya ka jing bom suk shongsngan shu ka jelah Menteri Rang Ba ka jelah kon ret kisang mau la ong badon uput ki aka baro bat ha kata yo beladep kiladon katu kat ni ke jing jai bela tampalat put bat ki bom lak ban pediang bat kumta don kaman ai da ka jing pen sitom ka bating ki bedon kiti hadian jok jing jah hamukro ki kam le don bor ba ki kampen klumar kala nang jah hanong ba shelong ha ka ba bon ngot ki riu pat ba kala sha thombor bat lai ngot ki pulit ken thai ki la mensap ha pedang ka jing huri hura ka we ka bosket pulit bat ka we ka gypsy pulit ki la sha tiet bat ka wang mau Batla persang ru bantang ya ka bos jong kipulen.
There will always be a limit to which things can go. And as I said in the past, in this last 1 week, there were some incidents that went beyond certain areas and certain limits, which cannot be accepted. And hence, firm action will be taken against those. But in the larger interest, it's important to see that as a society, we're able to move forward, as a state, we're able to move forward. And hence, people can say many things, but as I said, for me, I see the larger picture and the larger goal. And I would like to see that we're able to resolve the situation rather than making it more complicated.
Kaseng HSPDP Youth Wing negasi kalarai banyak kenduk ikinong elam jong ki seng san pertei bat ki he ki han ha Delhi halor ka jing dawa jong ki ban penyok no la ka jong ka jela na ka benta ka rilom KHASI jaintia habe kren bikinong thok khubor u president kaseng HSPDP Youth Wing uba san dondor renta thiang ula pentep bakin sa lech Delhi hakatayo ka ba arjong ubnai no pra banyak kren halor ka ni ka benta Hagway pat kaliang o President Kaseng ulak kentat ban keren niken tho AA Shapang kajingja sya siat hamukro namar bakinong ya lambah kledo jong Kaseng kiladap ikren halor kate kajingja.
That the founding president of the party also, he has seen a vision that the only way to give a good governance to the people, especially of the indigenous KHASI Jaintia, is by getting a separate state of our own. We have been seeing in the press and in the social media platform that reservation policy is one of the much heated debate that is going on. KHASI Jaintia state is the solution for our future and especially the indigenous people of our state.
Unong yalam berim kaseng NPP bat MDC Sofia Rahman u President ke MEGHALAYA Muslim Association u Mustafa Kabir ringkat bagi sab hongut ki wei pat kilale pineso bat kaseng TMC ha MEGHALAYA hne kesngi ha ka jing don ringkat jong MLA ke MEGHALAYA Trinamool Congress na rang sokona u Zenit M Sangma bat ki wei de kinong yalam kaseng TMC ke le ban pen klanya ka jing kam ha ka jela bat la ong ba ka rilom garo kan long ka than ka ba klando ha ka jing kam jongka ha ka jela Kidkot jong kaseng Hinyotrap Youth Council but Hinyotrap Achik National Movement West KHASI Hills District kiladawa na ka sarkar jela ban penklani ki sipai pahara hagisnong ki badon hakijaka kapod bat kasam Kidkot jong kini giseng kileken do ya u Deputy Commissioner ka West KHASI Hills District uba Garrett LSN Diggs ha ka bedai bat ka kani ka benta habe kiran kila pathai khubor hadi ka jengelang President ka Hinyotrap Achik National Movement uba Wilstone Soshang ulaong pa kaseng kasyakting pagkajingja syaksiat ha kasnong mukro kala rupan kata ha kisnong kaput kibadon hapo ka district bat kumta kila dawaban penklani kibor pahara ha kini kisnong kibadon ha silenter ki kaput bat kasam
ngiru ngikwa ya kata kajingnya kunjungi lembaga non violence mereka igi ketujuh lomba nak link kulit kidi bentakal sing teng benta kumba kidi ben pej ha ka beri bakaan na kata hiru mane kundu itu sini terusgi bon sim kia ya gini ke porok kumba kidi
ha ka lempung FIFA World Cup ar mentaksngi ke Tunisia kan yakun persya ke France kat ba ke Australia kan yakun persya ke Denmark baro artli kini kicing kai kan long ha ke por prash teng minmit ta ka jing scam hadin ba ke Australia kala penliam no ke Tunisia da iwei la not ha ka jing kai World Cup nadu usnam arhajar shipho kala don ru ka jing kermen ka bas scam bakan yo rung syakatup jongki kan riotli kikin hon minta pat ngai pe ka jing long jaman ka sim deng shlong ka jing shit ka long 8.2 degree Celsius ba ka jing kriat ka long 8.3 degree Celsius ka jing ngam ka hau ka long nyau pusau na ka shispa min sa ba nyau pusau na ka shispa jan mien ka sim deng kan rang ter khong ha ki ba bon ki jaka sai sien pat ngi pen kan mai pi wing ni ka kubor jungi pila aru ben pe live YouTube channel but pila aru ben pe ya ka kubor ma malakas ngi Facebook Twitter but Instagram jang ka TT News shlong Shaban poi shu bukut jang thup khbor pe byang sai sien ke mat ba kong san sa teng ke jing kren pen bet put na ka benta ka wat baar ha pedeng ka MEGHALAYA bat asam na ka jing ja hamukro ompat don ke jing kren yang minta ong menteri rang ba u Conrad K Sangma Penlong ke Ribhoi District Regional Committee ke jing yalang banding kong Ribhoi banyak terna ke benta ke jing ya penbek put hak kuat kepaat. On penstop ting ek sorkar jela halor ke jing ja ke tayo beladep ke belak ta ya ke syong suk syong sngan ong ukon red ke sangma. Pada ni kedua keseng HSPDP kena yalam jong kiseng sain perkara Delhi berpenstet ke jing dawa berpenyok nok la ke jong ke jela nak bentar ke rilum KHASI jantia. Dia perlok ketung lapoi skut jang tup ke bor jing meta ke jan mir hadu Malaysia berbet pila syagsi lei pi paro.
Have you enrolled yourself? If you are 18 years on any of the